everyone, I am super excited to be announcing that my natural hair care line, Lavish Curls Beauty, is launching today. So if you guys didn't already know, I've been mentioning it in a few of my videos that I have come out with my own hair growth oil, and I'm so excited that it is finally launching today, that it is online on my website lavishcurlsbeauty.com, and you guys can finally go purchase it yourself and get your hands on this amazing hair growth oil. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is so cute. Like, this was designed by me. I did all the work, and yeah, you guys, I'm so excited. It will focus. So here is my oil. It is a 2-point fluid ounce. It retails for $19.99, and it's just an amazing hair growth oil. It is, I'll go ahead and read it for you guys. Focus. Okay, so a all-natural blend of top oils and herbal extracts that promotes hair growth and health to your scalp. Stimulates scalp circulation to increase growth for longer, healthier hair. This formula penetrates the scalp and helps with hair loss, thinning hair, dry scalp, and nourishing the hair follicle. So yeah, you guys, I've been working on this for a while. I'm super excited for you guys to get your hands on this. It's packed with so many benefits for your natural hair and helping it to grow. You guys have watched my channel for years now, or if you haven't, you guys make sure you catch up on my videos, because my hair growth journey has been crazy, but I always try to aim for stuff that gives me healthy hair growth, and I'm glad I can finally come out with a product to help you guys out with your hair journey as well, and also help aid in hair growth as well. So I will have like a quick tutorial of how I use my product and give you guys more descriptive information about what the product does exactly and the ingredients and all of that stuff. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Hey everyone, by the time you see this video, my hair oil has already launched on my website lavishcurlsbeauty.com. So if you haven't already went over there, definitely check out my website. I'm so excited to be launching my first product and sharing it with you guys. It has been a long journey coming, and I'm just so excited to share with you guys a part of me and something that I love using on my natural hair, because I love hair growth oils. I have always, and all the oils I've used in the past, I've always felt like, well, I feel like it needs this ingredient, or it needs this, and it would be better if it had this in it. So I finally came up with my own concoction of all the oils and blends I feel like help to grow your hair, repair your hair, strengthen the hair follicle, get blood circulation going, help aid in hair loss, help aid in premature graying, and just do so many benefits for our natural hair, especially keeping your scalp moisturized, keeping it flake free. All those things I've combined in this one amazing oil, my Lavish Curls hair growth oil. Now for this tutorial, I will not be using the pretty packaged one. This is for you guys. This is what's going to be sold in stores. Well, not in stores, online. One day it will be in stores though. For now, I'm going to be using my sample oil that I always keep on me, and basically demonstrating how I like to use this oil to keep my scalp moisturized, to help aid in hair growth and things like this. So I like to incorporate it in my wash and goes. It's very, very good for that. The main thing about this oil is you want to shake it, because at the bottom, the herbal extracts in it is going to settle. So you want to just shake it up real good before each use, so that it distributes throughout the oil, so you're getting all the benefits of it. So as you guys can see, even in my actual oil that will be sold online, you're going to see the herbal extracts at the bottom, because like I said, it's going to settle at the bottom. So give it a nice shake. One thing I love about this oil is the smell. It has a nice light peppermint smell, and I love that it has peppermint oil in it, because it's going to help with blood circulation, which is going to help your hair grow. It increases the hair growth. So a little bit goes a long way with my product. That's why I only put it in a 2-ounce bottle. That's the only available size, because a little bit goes a long way. Like, it's so powerful that a little goes a long way. So as you guys see, I just did a little bit, and then I'm gonna rub it in. And honestly, I could have used less than what I just put in my hair. It feels lightweight. It absorbs into your scalp very, very easily, and your scalp will automatically look healthy. One thing about me is I have scalp psoriasis. You guys have been following me for a while, so This oil really helps with people who have dry scalp. You do not have to have a scalp disorder to use my oil, but if you do have a scalp disorder, this is going to help a lot. So, especially for people that have dandruff or anything like that, this oil helps with scalp disorders also, along with helping people that just want to grow their hair. So as you guys can see, my hair looks janky. I need to stretch it out. But to incorporate the oil in my routine, I like to just take a little bit, put it on my fingertips. And like I said, a little bit goes a long way. Like, you do not need a lot. And then I just stretch my hair out at the root so I can be able to access it better. And then I just massage it in. You want to make sure you really massage your oil in. That way you're stimulating the blood flow. And also giving yourself scalp massages really helps with hair growth. So you're going to go ahead, take that oil, massage it in real good, and that's pretty much it. I will also drag it a little bit on the hair length, just a little bit, because what else am I going to do with extra oil? And yeah, and now I'm going to go ahead and just stretch this section. But I love this because I have a full ingredient list on the side of the packaging. It has castor oil in it, you guys. That helps to thicken your hair strands and makes your hair much more healthier. It also helps with premature graying. It has jojoba oil in it. I felt like this was very important because some people, their scalp does not produce enough oils, and jojoba oil is the closest oil to the oil that is produced, the sebum that's produced on our scalp. It has sweet almond oil. Almond oil is good for hair growth and hair loss. Apricot kernel oil as well is good for those things. Tea tree oil helps with any scalp inflammation, any scalp disorders that you might have. It also helps get rid of dandruff, any flaking. The peppermint oil also is a stimulant for circulating blood on your scalp, like I already mentioned. Rosemary oil, lavender oil. I have nettle and burdock extract. Those are the herbal extracts that also help with your hair growth, and it's just amazing. Okay, first section is nice and stretched. And just for a little bit more insight, because I cannot remember everything off of the top of my head, it's so much information, so I want to give you guys just a quick little breakdown of my oils a little bit more. So like I said, it has nettle and burdock extract, and I know you guys are probably like, what is that? Burdock extract stimulates hair growth by improving blood circulation on the scalp. It can also relieve scalp irritation and other scalp disorders. So that was one of the main reasons I wanted it in my product. And also it was rich in vitamin A and essential fatty acids, which is all good for your scalp. The nettle leaf extract reduces hair loss. It enhances blood circulation, so your hair roots get more supply of nutrients and oxygen. And also it can inhibit the formation of DHT, the hormone that causes male and female baldness. So I made sure I include an ingredient that helps people that have even experienced baldness. Okay, so lavender oil does help to treat alopecia. And I also wanted to make sure I incorporated that in the hair growth oil as well, so I can target those consumers as well and help people that have that scalp disorder as well. Also, it promotes hair growth, helps hair loss, fights bacteria, fungi, and other harmful microorganisms, and it speeds up blood circulation. So if you guys didn't know that about lavender oil is so amazing, especially like if you have anxiety. I like to just smell it sometimes, and it really helps to calm you. And then also it has tea tree oil in it, which treats dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis. It fights the fungus that causes dandruff without drying out the scalp. It also moisturizes and soothes the scalp, reduces itchiness, and makes it less prone to flaking. Moisturizes the scalp while preventing excess buildup on the scalp of oils. So yeah, I really wanted tea tree oil in it because I noticed that also when you apply my oil, it is really soothing to the scalp. So many of the oils that I put in this hair growth oil has multiple benefits. It doesn't just do one thing for your scalp, and that was really important to me, that it just had multiple benefits. You know, I like stuff that has so many benefits. And also rosemary oil strengthens circulation. It's anti-inflammatory. It helps with hair loss. It increases cellular metabolism that stimulates hair growth, and it helps treat alopecia as well. So I have those two main ingredients that help treat it as well. And then also, like I said, jojoba oil, apricot kernel oil. This was the main reason I put this in it, because it contains vitamins A, C and E, and it aids in growth, adds shine. That was the main thing. I wanted our hair to also have some shine. I wanted to add that. It reduces dry scalp and dandruff, and it also helps to soften the hair, and it is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiseptic, and anti-aging. And then we had sweet almond oil, which improves scalp circulation, seals in moisture, increases the luster and the shine of your hair, and it strengthens your hair. And then my favorite ingredient, castor oil, promotes hair growth, treats dandruff and other scalp conditions. It thickens the hair, it conditions hair, it makes it shiny, and it helps prevent premature hair graying. That was one of my favorite things because I'm 25 and I don't have a single gray hair strand yet. And then also it helps with split ends. So this oil, I tried to make sure I covered basically every problem or thing that we encounter with hair growth for our hair, and basically find the oils and the herbal extracts that provide the solution for it. So as you guys can see, I just massaged some more oil into my scalp, and I'm going to go ahead and stretch. Overall, I feel like my hair growth oil is amazing. Like, not to toot my own horn, but this oil is amazing. Like, I really feel like I targeted everything, and I feel like I provided a solution for so many people, and this oil is really going to be able to help so many people. I feel like some oils aren't targeted to help with multiple needs, but there are multiple needs with our scalps. Healthy hair starts at the scalp, and you have to make sure your scalp has a healthy foundation in order to grow hair. So I like the fact that my oil incorporates things that help with your scalp health, but also to help aid in hair growth. I actually missed this section. And also my product will have a nozzle tip, so it'll be easy to apply the oil. But for some reason, I'm just that type of person that will take oil, squeeze it out, and then use my fingers. For some reason, my fingers are my best friend, but that nozzle tip is going to be able to help you control how much product comes out. And I also felt like smell was important, because sometimes some natural hair products can really stink, and I just want stuff that makes our hair smell good. Yeah. There are no fragrances in my oil because I know some people are sensitive or allergic to fragrances. So I did leave out fragrances, but with the blend of these specific oils all together, in my opinion, the oil smells amazing. So my hair growth oil does retail for $19.99, and that is because, like I said, I'm only using all natural ingredients. I've noticed that when I've gone shopping for hair growth oils, sometimes the cheaper oils, they're packed with synthetic oils, they're packed with crap, and you guys really have to learn, when you're shopping for natural hair products, really learn to read the label, understand what's on the label and what ingredients are in it to actually help benefit your hair, and that it's not just thrown in there as a filler. Because some oils, they'll put stuff in there that actually clogs your pores, stunts hair growth. So it's important to learn your hair ingredients and learn what's really good for your hair. I use top oils, top herbal extracts that are really going to help with hair growth. And honestly, the hair growth oil should have been even priced higher than what it is, but $20 I felt like was affordable for a luxury hair care oil that helps really grow your hair. Curls are looking luscious so far, and I even used the hair growth oil last night when I was doing my wash and go. So you can use it like when you're about to apply your styler and your gel and stuff. Each section you can go in and massage in some hair growth oil. You can use it in so many different ways, so have fun with it. Just make sure it stays in your scalp. Make sure it's in a way where you're not automatically rinsing it out, you know. My scalp even still feels moisturized today, so it's long lasting moisture. I feel like on average you only need to use this oil in your scalp about 3 times a week. You can do up to 4 times. So basically every other night use this oil. It honestly doesn't matter if you use it night or day, just as long as you're using it 3 to 4 times a week, you should be good. And another thing, I do not want you guys to depend all on the hair growth oil to grow your hair. It is very important that we're taking the steps as well for healthy hair growth. What I've learned in my journey is you also have to make sure you're deep conditioning. If you have split ends, you need to get them cut. Like, you need to get them trimmed. You don't need to hold on to damage, because as soon as you clip off damaged hair and split ends, your hair starts to grow in faster. So it's very, very important that you're using products that are going to help make your hair healthier. You're doing healthy hair practices such as deep conditioning. Make sure you're doing protein treatments when you need to, and also doing scalp massages with hair growth oil to help speed up your blood circulation, make your scalp healthier, and also aid in hair growth. You know, you want to make sure you're not using cotton, things that are going to snag your curls, make it frizzier, might cause hair breakage. You want to sleep with a satin pillow scarf, because satin is better on your curls. All these things go into effect of how your hair is going to grow, how it's going to turn out. And then also remember to apply the oil around your hairline. Make sure we get a nice full hairline, because we want our edges. It's a good oil for help growing your edges too. I would even encourage you guys to massage your scalp nightly, at least for 5 minutes. Get that blood flow going. Look at those curls, those lavish curls. Okay guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check the description box to go to Lavish Curls Beauty. Check out my website. And are you ready to lavish your curls?